What's up, my friends? Welcome to New View Tech Review. My name is David Gelly, and today we are unboxing the Google Pixel 3. So let's get to it. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so here we are with the long-awaited Google Pixel 3 XL. I have been waiting and waiting for this since last year's Pixel 2 XL. I was not expecting much out of that one for some reason, but I ended up loving it after I reviewed it for a couple of weeks, and I would expect this one to be obviously an upgrade and a step up from that. So I'm pumped about this one. I'm excited to get into the review to check out the stereo speakers, to look at the display, see if there's any blue tint issues at all like the Pixel 2 had. So yeah, anyway, let's dive in and see what we got here. Here it is. All right, can't wait to see that notch. All right, so apparently this is a new glass back with kind of a soft touch feel. I've heard a lot of people complaining about the back of it scratching up really easily because of the material, so I'm a little worried about that, but it feels really nice. When you touch the glass, it's really kind of sticky, but this is just smooth. I really like that. All right, let's see here. It looks like we got the two stereo speakers. We got the one at the top right here and the one at the bottom. And we got a volume rocker right here along with the power button, and then nothing on the left side of it. It looks like the SIM card slot is at the bottom, and I'm not sure if it has a SD card slot or not yet. I'll look into that. And we got the Type-C charging port at the bottom. All right, so we saw the phone. Let's see what we get in the box. Pretty typical Google Pixel box, you know, from the get-go. And we got reading materials right here with the SIM ejection tool, a cool little Google sticker right there, hashtag Team Pixel sticker. I'm not much into reading the pamphlets, so I'll set those off to the side. And then it looks like we got our Google Buds right here that come in the box. So props to Google for actually including a headset in the box. And we got our Type-C charging cord right here. It's Type-C and Type-C. And we got our USB Type-A converter to USB Type-C. And we got our headphone adapter because it's 2018. Don't have to like it, but that's the way it is, I suppose. And here at the bottom, we find the nice big charging block with the Type-C connector right there. So here's a quick overview of everything you'll find in the box. As I said, we got the charger, adapters, Pixel Buds, reading materials, and the Google Pixel 3 XL itself in the flesh. So let's get this thing turned on and see what it looks like with the huge notch at the top. I know a lot of people have been complaining about that being so deep, but I guess we'll see once the screen is on and get a first impression of that. Alright guys, so here we are with the display turned on and everything set up. This is the display you will see automatically out of the box. That's kind of a liquid moving display. I don't know if you can see that right now, but it's kind of cool looking. So there's the notch right at the top. It looks about the same as it does in videos of other reviews I've seen of it. So not too bad in my opinion. It is a deep notch, but I think it looks kind of cool, to be honest. I mean, the fact that we can have a display wrap around like that, I mean, that's the future, guys. This is pretty cool. I mean, obviously the future is to get to a place where we don't need that notch, but for now, it looks kind of cool to me. I don't mind it. So yeah, guys, I'm really excited to start reviewing this phone and test out the stereo speakers as well as the camera on the back. The Pixel phones are known for their beautiful image quality, so I'm excited to test that out and share that with you guys. So stay tuned for the upcoming full review here in a couple weeks, and I will let you know what I find out. That's all I had for you today, my friends. I hope you enjoyed this quick unboxing and first impressions of the Google Pixel 3. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.